Welcome to Oasis of the Seas, room 1716. Come on inside. Before we get started with the room tour, I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you to some of the crew that took great care of us on our cruise.
Hi there, I'm Sue Ellen, the Suite Concierge on board Oasis of the Seas, and if you're planning to come with us on this experience, we'll be welcome and ready for you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Hello.
Hello from Oasis of the Seas.
Welcome. We are waiting for you.
Thank you. And we have Mr. June and
Andrew.
Andrew. Yes, thank you guys for taking great care of us.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Oasis.
Thank you. You've been wonderful. Thank you so much. Hello.
Hello to you. This is Angela. I'm your lovely waiter.
Thank you. Come see him at Coastal Kitchen. Thank you.
Hi. Please like, share, and subscribe. Yes, to challenge.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening, I'm Chef Mark, Coastal Kitchen, Oasis of the Sea. Thank you very much.
Thank you for all the great food.
Thank you very much. Welcome.
Hey everybody, don't forget to watch and subscribe. If there is a button, you see the button, just press there about the getting around Central Florida Beach.
Thank you. And then what's your name again?
Aditya from Indonesia.
Uh-huh. Who do we have? Awesome.
Press that button.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you. So welcome inside. So again, this is room 1716, a suite located on Oasis of the Seas. So I'm going to take you around. We'll first start kind of in the entryway here. So when you first come in, to your left, you're going to have your closet. So you'll find hangers, you'll find your little suitcase, little rack. You'll find your bags for your laundry. They'll also have what you've already removed, but usually you'll have your little hanging laundry garment. Notice if you want things steamed or anything of that nature. And then you come in further, they're going to have for you towels that you can use for the pool or to sit out on the lounge chairs. You also have a set of drawers here. Usually they will have some type of hanging indicator so you can hang on your door to let them know if you want your room serviced or not. And you can kind of see here just some decorative plants underneath the stairs, which we'll get to in a moment. But staying here in our entryway here, what I love about this suite is that there are two full bathrooms. You have one downstairs as soon as you open or as soon as you enter the suite, and there's one upstairs. So we'll start with the downstairs. Also need to mention that you do have your master switch down here, as well as your control panel for your lights. So as you can see there, you have all on, day, evening, and late. You also have a thermostat down here, and I believe there's one upstairs as well. And you have your light switch here. But we're gonna go into the first bathroom. So this is the first bathroom here, and we've already kind of been using it. So there's some things in the trash there, but you know, pretty standard here. You have your toilet paper, extra roll. Then you have your stand-up shower. What I don't like about Oasis of the Seas and Symphony of the Seas is that the shower stall is quite small. On Allure of the Seas, the downstairs bathroom shower stall was much larger. This one is a little tight. So if you need a little bit more room, if you're taller, you may have, issues with that. It is smaller. I do prefer the downstairs shower in on Allure of the Seas better than Symphony of the Seas and Oasis of the Seas. But again, you do have a full bathroom here. So you have your sink here, your counter. That's me. Hello, guys. You have your glasses here, and just like some little cubby holes here with some towels, disposable little bags there. You have cabinetry under the bottom that is functional, and you have plenty of towels, washcloths, soap, and lotion. And again, this is the shower with some, looks like some shampoo, body wash products, and conditioners there. So that is the shower. Again, it's small. It is small, I have to say. I don't like the shower stall on the Symphony of the Seas as well as Oasis of the Seas. So as we come on in, so here we have, what I do love is we have this nice table. So you can actually stay in your suite if you like. You can get work done here. You can eat, you and your family here. We also did buy the water package. So something to request, you don't have to bring water on the ship. They do have the water package here for you. So they will usually provide it. It'll be here waiting for you in your room once you arrive. So just FYI. It comes with 2 chairs, and there's actually like a little futon situation there that pulls out. And this table, if I remember correctly, it actually moves, so it can move back and forth, which I'm not going to move it now, but it does move. So if you need a little more space, a little less space, you have that option. And our luggage is here, but there are drawers underneath here, so you can store things, so that's good. You have your phone and a notepad and pen. So a good setup here. All right, so you kind of get a better view here. So then you have your sofa. Now this sofa converts into a bed. So if you have children or if multiple people are in a suite, then some people can sleep down here comfortably. 2 people can sleep down here. A beautiful painting here or a piece of artwork. And then you have your table here. You have a nice chair. And on this side, you have another little futon that pulls out. You have some drawers there, Kleenex, the TV. And then we requested just a cooler. So if you need to keep anything cool, whether it's medication, food, anything of that nature, if you ask for it, then they will provide that. Then there's some water, some wine glasses, some mugs for your coffee. They do have a Lavazza blue machine. And there's creamer, and different things here, your sweeteners, and if you need other things, obviously you probably can ask on request. So there's a little cooler here. So it's not considered a refrigerator, but it is a cooler, so to keep things cool for a few hours, but that's here so you can utilize as well. And the balcony, let's go check out the balcony. Now this balcony is a decent size, the balcony. So we wanted 2 lounge chairs out here, and normally we ask for like a table that we can sit so we can enjoy maybe a breakfast, a lunch, dinner, something like that out here. So they just put out this table, but I requested a larger table, so hopefully they'll bring that soon so we can actually sit out here. But again, it's large enough for 2 lounge chairs, and it would be large enough for a table and possibly 2 chairs on this side. So this is our view from this side here. Nice and scenic. It's a beautiful view, so I can't wait for Sellaway. We'll actually have a great view here. So this is kind of what you see here. Okay guys, so as I said, this is a 2-story suite. So let's go up the stairs. So just be careful if you are down here. There is a little step up here before you get to the steps. Also, I will note that there are little lights going up the stairway. However, not every stair is lit, so it's every other. So if you're getting up in the middle of the night, don't go by the lighting on the stairs to indicate where the steps are, because the lights are only on every other step, as you can see. So just make sure you actually watch where you're walking. But it's a little walk up here and a little piece of artwork right here. And when you come up here, there is another step. There's another ledge here when you come up the steps, so be careful of that. And just like that, you have made it to the 2nd floor. It's not very large of a space to walk around, but it gets the job done. So you have a bed here. You either can have the bed separate, so you have 2 twins or singles, or you can have the beds pushed together to make a queen or full-size bed. So on either side of the bed, you have your nightstands here. So there and there. You have a TV with a remote and your switches here to control your lighting. And you do have 2 overhead lights here right above the bed, and then obviously in the ceiling as well. And there's a pull down here, so you're able to pull the TV down and watch the TV. You simply just push it back up and you have plenty of space to move around. But again, it's not large up here, but it's large enough to get the job done. You're mainly going to just be sleeping up here, maybe, you know, lounging. Again, another nightstand. More switches. These switches actually control this curtain. So if you want a little more privacy, you're able to press the switches there and it will, or you can actually use this little piece here to close the curtain. So you have a little more privacy. But that is, and it's an amazing view, guys. Look at this view from up here. You can see downstairs, talk to your guests if you want to from upstairs, or get that great view. Floor to ceiling windows, have a nice view. So let's continue on to the suite, and there I am again. So coming on in here, so to the right here, I love this. So you have plenty of outlets. I love this. That's a great feature. So there's 1, 2, 3 outlets there for you. A lit vanity. There I am again. Hello. Nice size vanity here, and then you have looks like a trash can. You have an ottoman to sit. You have drawers here. They also thought about adding Kleenex for you. You got a full length mirror here. So let's see what's behind this mirror. So behind the mirror here, you have 2 robes for you. You have plenty of hangers. Again, you also have your luggage rack. So the safe is right here tucked in the little cabinetry there. You have some storage above there. Your second thermostat to control your temperature, and then lighting. And then here is your second bathroom, which we'll go ahead and go in now. Okay, now in this bathroom, I do like this one, and I may use this one. Now this bathroom shower stall is what I'm more accustomed to in the downstairs bathroom of Allure. Allure of the Seas had almost the same identical layout for the shower downstairs. So it wasn't as small as this one is downstairs. So essentially you have 2 shower heads, one on each side here, which I love that. You have your towels here right above the royal throne. Trash can, toilet paper, extra toilet paper. So again, you have your 2 shower heads there. You have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So nice setup here. And here I am, hello again. Hand towels, washcloths. You have your bar soap. You have your, looks like lotion. There's some glasses there. Some more towels. And looks like some places to store things as well on these shelves as well. So not a bad setup. I like this bathroom obviously better. It still feels small to me compared to like I said, Allure of the Seas and Symphony of the Seas, but I do like this shower, so I'll probably be using this shower up here. That will conclude the tour of room 1716 Crown Loft Suite here on Oasis of the Seas. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you like this tour, guys, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Also, if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you and I want to encourage you to subscribe, guys. It doesn't cost you a thing and you get to follow me along my journey. It helps me to keep creating more content to bring to you as I see that it gives you enjoyment and as YouTube continues to push my videos out. So from Oasis of the Seas here in Port Everglades, Fort Lauderdale, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.